So last class we discussed the variable separable and homogeneous differential equation. So now a homogeneous differential equation is what? If this mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0, this is the first order differential equation, and both mxy and nxy both are homogeneous function with the same degree, not order. Sorry, मैं यहाँ पे ऑर्डर लिख जाऊँ, ऑर्डर नहीं डिग्री होगा. ओके ओके with the same degree. Okay, homogeneous function with same degree. So now when solving homogeneous differential equation, we have to substitute y by x is equal to b, and it is reduced to separable OD, then easily solve it. Okay, so let us see. So when we discuss about the homogeneous differential equation, so you can find different types of thought of the first order differential equation. Sometimes what happen, you can see, suppose you can see this y dash is equal to f of x. This y dash is equal to f of x. Is called homogeneous. Is called homogeneous differential equation. Okay, if this f of xy, this f of xy is homogeneous function. Okay, this homogeneous function with degree 0, with degree 0. Okay, if y dash is equal to f of xy, it's called homogeneous differential equation. If f of xy is a homogeneous function with degree 0. With degree 0 means, so we can write this y dash is equal to some function of g by y by x. So we can write, if it is a degree 0, okay, if it is a degree 0 homogeneous function with a degree 0, then we can write this is in terms of y by x. In terms of y by x. That is a function of y by x. That is a function of y by x. Okay, y dash is equal to g of y by x. Now, if y dash is equal to g of y by x, if it can be written as in this form, then you can see you substitute. Okay, then substitute this u is equal to y by x. If you substitute u is equal to y by x, that means what? This y is equal to ux, and that implies this dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to, this is how much? This is u plus x du by dx. Okay. Now again, this differential equation reduced to what? This is u plus x du by dx is equal to g of u, because your y by x is equal to u. So now this differential equation you can easily solve it. Why? Because this is x du by dx is equal to gu minus u. Now it is separable OD. Why? Because you can write this is du by gu minus u is equal to dx by x. Okay. So now this is separable. If you integrate both sides, you can easily get the solution. You can easily get the solution. Understood or not? That means if the differential equation of the form like this, y dash is equal to f of xy. Y dash is equal to f of xy means this f of xy is a homogeneous function with a degree 0. With a degree 0. Then we can say y dash is equal to g of y by x. If it is a degree 0, homogeneous function with a degree 0, then we can rewrite this f as a g of y by x. And y by x को तुम u put करोगे तो y is equal to ux हो जाएगा, and again you find the derivative, so that you can easily substitute in the differential equation. You will get a separable ordinary differential equation. Separable ordinary differential equation. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood
yes,
or not? So
yes,
similarly, another way is that another way is, suppose this mxy dx, mxy dx cos nxy dy is equal to 0, is equal to 0. This is also a first order differential equation and it is called homogeneous. Okay, this differential equation is called homogeneous differential equation. Okay, homogeneous differential equation. Okay, if both m and n, if both m and n are are homogeneous function homogeneous function with same degree, with the same degree, with the same degree. If m and n both are homogeneous function with the same degree, and in that case you substitute. Okay, in that case you substitute y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx. If y is equal to vx, then your dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dx is equal to, this is v plus x into dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Understood or not?
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now you can see, or you can easily write, this is in place of a dy. In place of a dy, you can write this is v plus v dx plus x dv. Yes or no? In place of a dy, you can write v dx plus x dv. Okay, and now if you substitute, that is your original equation is what is m of xy dx plus n of xy dy is equal to 0. This is your original differential equation. Now if you substitute, so what happened? This is m x y के जगह vx dx plus this is n of x comma vx and dy की जगह क्या substitute होगा? This is v dx plus x dv. So now if you simplify is equal to 0, and if you simplify this, so what you get? You will get this is v plus m. Okay, v plus m x comma vx. Okay, into dx plus n comma x into vx into dv is equal to 0. Sorry, into x into dv. Okay, x into n x vx dv is equal to 0. Okay, now this differential equation, okay, this differential equation, this differential equation in terms of, okay, sorry, this differential equation is homogeneous differential equation, sorry, is separable OD, is separable OD. Okay, separable ordinary differential equation in terms of, in terms of x and f, in terms of x and f. तो इसमें y टर्म नहीं रहेगा, y को हम सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए v. Okay, and here v is nothing but v is a function of x. V is nothing but v is a function of x. Okay, the dependent variable. So the two ways are there. So if you, when you solve a differential equation, homogeneous differential equation, the two ways are there. Either the question by differential equation given y dash is equal to f of xy, or mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0. Okay, and if it is not homogeneous, then it is called non-homogeneous. Okay, so for example, you see, for example, suppose I'm writing a differential equation that is f of xy. This f of xy is equal to, this is 4x, sorry, right. First you write a homogeneous function. Suppose you write f of xy is equal to, this is 4x square minus uh, 3xy, okay, plus y square, plus y square. So this function is a homogeneous function. Is a homogeneous function. Homogeneous function. This is not a differential equation. I am just saying about function. Okay, f of xy is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus y square is a homogeneous function. Why? Because if you check this f lambda x and lambda y, if you substitute in place of x and y as lambda x and lambda y, what you get, this is lambda x square minus 3 into lambda x into lambda y, okay, plus this lambda y square. And you can see this is nothing but 4 lambda square x square minus 3 lambda square xy plus lambda square y square. And if you taking lambda square common, then again this is 4x square minus 3xy plus y square. And which is nothing but this is lambda square into f of x. Lambda square into f of x. So here this is homogeneous function with degrees, with degree क्या होगा, 2 होगा, because lambda square is there. Okay, and similarly find another example. Suppose you writing this f of xy is equal to, this is x square plus, sorry, x cube plus sin x into e to the power y. Okay, x cube plus sin x, and it's not a homogeneous function. Is not a homogeneous function. Not a homogeneous function. Because if you substitute x in lambda x, okay, then lambda will not taking common. Okay. Okay. So let us see. So we solve the differential equation. Let us see how to solve the differential equation. Very first, right? Suppose this x plus two, x plus two, sorry, x plus two y into dx plus 2x plus y into dy is equal to, okay. So this is the differential equation, and it has the form mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0. Okay, and this is a homogeneous equation or not? You can easily check. Both m and n both are homogeneous. Yes or no? Here you can see this mxy is equal to x plus 2y, and nxy is equal to 2x plus y. Both are homogeneous. Both are homogeneous. Both are homogeneous function. Yes or no? X plus 2y and 2x plus y both are homogeneous function with the same degree, with degree 1. With degree 1. Okay, you can check. You put x is x in place of x, you put lambda x in place of y, you put lambda y, then you can see lambda will take in common. Okay, so now this homogeneous function with a degree 1. So this differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Now if the differential equation is homogeneous and it has the form mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0, then you have to substitute y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx. And if you substitute y is equal to vx, so what is dy by dx? But you can write directly what is dy. Your dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. Okay, v dx plus x dv. So you directly substitute. You directly substitute. So you write this is now the equation one is what? This is x plus 2vx into dx plus this is 2x plus vx. Okay, dy in place of dy you can write this is v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. Okay, so now if you simplify this, what you get this is x plus 2vx. Okay, then plus 2x plus vx into v. Okay, dx and plus x into 2x plus vx dv is equal to 0. Now if you simplify again, so what you get? You get this is x 2vx, this is 4vx. Okay, plus this is how much? V square x into dx plus this is 2x square plus vx square dv is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So again, you can take common. You can take x common. This is 1 plus 4v plus v square dx. यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर कॉमन ले जाओगे तो ये हो जाएगा 2 प्लस v dv इज इक्वल टू 0. तो यहाँ पे x will be cancel out. Okay, because x will not be 0. Okay, so x will be cancelled out from both sides. So now this is you can write this is how much? This is dv. Sorry, if you do the separable, you can write. This is sorry. This is x into 2 plus v dv is equal to minus of 1 plus 4v plus v square into dx. Okay, I'm taking v in left hand side and x in right hand side. I want to separate the variables. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? This is 2 plus v divided by 1 plus 4v plus v square dv is equal to minus dx by x. So now this is separable OT. So now we integrate both sides. Okay. So now what will be the integration? What will be integration? So this is nothing but this is if you substitute 1 plus 4v 1 plus 4v plus
उसको डी मान लेंगे सर.
is equal to suppose z, then you get this is dz by 2 z is equal to minus dx by x. Is it correct?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Then if you integrate, then what you get? This is
Sir,
half
ln z.
into ln z is equal to minus ln x plus c. Okay, so better you write this ln x plus ln c, because c is a constant, so ln c is also a constant. For our suitability, we can write ln c so that we can both side we can cancel. So here you can see this is z to the power half. Okay, into x is equal to ln c. Is it correct? Taking minus ln x left hand side. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now this is z to the power half into x is equal to c. Now it is correct.
Yes, sir.
तो z का वैल्यू क्या है 1 प्लस 4v प्लस v स्क्वायर, तो 1 प्लस 4v प्लस v स्क्वायर आई एम टेकिंग रूट ओवर into x is equal to c, into x is equal to c, okay, into x is equal to c. So that again what is your v, v का वैल्यू क्या है, you substitute v is equal to y by x, y is equal to vx means v is equal to y by x. So now you substitute y by x, this is root over, okay, so you can also take root over right hand side, no problem. So you can easily get this is 1 plus 4 v is equal to y by x plus this is y square by x square is equal to c by x square, c1 by x square, because this is c square by x square, okay, you write c square by x square, is it correct? तो अगेन
Yes, sir.
इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई तो क्या होगा, ये हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सी स्क्वायर बाय एक्स स्क्वायर. So now both side you can cancel out x square. Okay, both side you can cancel out x square. So again that implies your solution is what? This is y square plus 4xy plus x square is equal to c square. C is the constant. You can write c square is equal to c1, no problem. So this is your solution. Okay, the implicit solution you will get y square plus 4x plus x square is equal to c square. Be the solution. Be the solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next to write another type of question. Okay. So next we write another question. Suppose y dash is equal to oh, sorry. You write another question. So y dash is equal to this is 4x square plus y square, 4x square plus y square divided by x divided by x square. Okay, suppose this is the answer. Y dash is equal to f of xy. So this question can be written as this is देखो तुम्हारा फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या था, if y dash is equal to f of xy, okay, and this is homogeneous equation with degree 0 and this is homogeneous equation with degree 0, then you can write this which is equal to g of y by x. You can write in form of a g of y by x if it is a homogeneous function with a degree 0. So now you can see this function is homogeneous function with a degree 0. Okay, so why? Because you see if you substitute uh, uh, 4 lambda x square plus lambda y square divided by lambda x into lambda y, so you can see the lambda will be cancelled out. This is only 4x square plus y square divided by xy. Okay, so यहाँ पे lambda both from the numerator and denominator, the lambda square will be cancelled out. So lambda square will be cancelled out. So lambda square cancel out means this is lambda to the power 0. So lambda to the power 0 means this is degree 0. Okay, so now if this function is a homogeneous function with a degree 0, so we can rewrite this function in terms of y by x. So we can write this is 4, if you divide xy, तो क्या होगा, this is x by y, okay, then plus this is y by x. Is it correct? Yes or no? And again, if you
Yes, sir.
so I can write this is 4 into 4 divided by y by x plus y by x. Now it is correct. So this is the function of a y by x. So here this y dash is equal to 4 by y by x plus y by x. So now you substitute y by x is equal to u. Okay, y by x is equal to u. If you substitute y by x is equal to u, or this y is equal to ux, then you can find this dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is equal to u plus x du by dx. So now if you substitute in the differential equation, so what you get, your y dash is it dy by dx, that is u plus x du by dx is equal to this is how much, 4 by u, 4 by u plus u, 4 by u plus u. Okay, so now you can see that that implies this u cancelled from both sides, so here you will get this is x du by dx is equal to 4 by u. Okay, and again if you separate the variables, so what you get, this is u du is equal to 4 into dx by x. So now you integrate both sides. Now this is variable separable. Yes or no? You can separate the variables. Now this is u square by 2 is equal to this is 4 ln x plus c. 4 ln x plus c. Okay, and again you substitute what is the value of a u, and your u is equal to y by x. Okay, u is equal to y by x, so you can write this is y square by 2x square. Okay, I substitute y is equal to, u is equal to y by x is equal to 4 ln x plus 4 ln x plus, that implies this y square is equal to 2x square into 4 ln x plus. Okay, and this is your solution, this is your solution. And again if you simplify, then y is equal to this is the root over of 2x square. Okay, 4 ln x plus, you can write. Okay, but this is your solution. Understood how to solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the process to solve a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, homogeneous differential equation.
सर थोड़ा ऊपर का दिखाएगा ना?
Yes. This one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So let us see. Non-homogeneous equation. Okay. Non-homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous differential. Okay. Non-homogeneous differential equation. And this non-homogeneous differential equation we solved. Okay, we solved this non-homogeneous differential equation when it is reducible to homogeneous. Okay, so we can say this non-homogeneous differential equation reducible to, okay, reducible to homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so we can solve the non-homogeneous differential equation reducible to homogeneous differential equation. Suppose consider a non-homogeneous equation. Consider a non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous, okay, differential equation. Suppose in the general form I can write this dy by dx is equal to, suppose your a1x plus b1y, okay, plus c1 divided by a2x plus b2y plus c. Suppose I am writing a non-homogeneous differential equation in the form of this. Okay, so here you see this is non-homogeneous. Why? Because you can see in a1x the degree is 1, in b1 degree is 1, but in c1 the degree is 0. Okay, so the degree is mismatched here. So this is non-homogeneous differential equation. So in that case, two cases arise. Two cases arise. The first case is the case one. The first case is if this coefficient a1 by a2, okay, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can substitute x is equal to, I can substitute this uh, x and is equal to, sorry.
But your voice is breaking, sir.
My voice is breaking. Okay. So
Yes.
now you substitute this a particular value of h and k, for particular value of h and k. So h and k, so that for particular value of h and k, so that the given differential equation, is reducible to, okay, is reducible to homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Okay, understood my point? If you substitute a small x is equal to capital X plus s and small y is equal to capital Y plus k, then the given equation reducible to homogeneous differential equation. And then homogeneous differential equation you can easily solve. Okay, you can easily solve. तो यहाँ पे जो लिखा है जो particular value of h and k, particular value of h and k, what is that value of h and k? So let us substitute. Okay, so let us substitute in the differential equation. So if you substitute in the differential equation, so what you get? Okay, suppose your dy by dx is equal to, this is a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by a2x plus b2y plus c. Okay, and you have to substitute the small x is equal to capital X plus h, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, दिस dx is same as capital Dx and dy is same as dy, right? Because h and k are constant. So now you can see this d capital Y by d capital X is equal to, this is a1 capital X plus h plus b1 capital Y plus k plus c divided by, this is a2 capital X plus h plus b2 capital Y plus k, okay, plus c. So now if you simplify this, you will get, this is a1 capital X plus b1 capital Y plus a1h plus b1k plus c1. This is the constant term divided by, this is a2x plus b2y plus, this is a2h plus b2k plus c. Okay, if you simplify. So now if you write this a1x plus b1y divided by a2x plus b2y, that means these two are 0, provided this a1h plus b1k plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2s plus b2k plus c2 is equal to 0. If these two are 0, then you will get only a1x plus by divided by a2x plus b2y, which is homogeneous. And if you put these two are 0 and this is a quadratic, sorry, this is a system of equation, yes or no? That is, here h and k are variable, then solving this equation, okay, solving this equation, okay, you will get h and k, okay, solving this equation you will get h and k. Understood? So now that particular value of h and k, so that this two equation satisfy, okay, and h k का जो value मिलेगा you can substitute here. Okay, so I am saying here this is a particular value of h and k, and that particular value is what, when you solve this equation, system of equation, okay, where a1 a b1 c1 a2 b2 c2, these are constant the coefficients and h k are unknowns. Okay, you can easily find h and k. Okay, so now this equation, okay,
B1y,
yes,
तो B1y होगा प्रोवाइडेड के लेफ्ट में.
yeah. So now you see this dy by dx, capital dy by capital dx is equal to a1x plus b1y divided by a2x plus b2y is homogeneous. Differential equation. Now if it is a homogeneous differential equation, then you can put what? Again you substitute. Substitute y is equal to vx, capital Y is equal to vx, or y by x is equal to v, whatever. Okay, y is equal to vx. So y is equal to vx, then again homogeneous equation कैसे solve होगा, you know. Okay, so this is the process, and this is your case 1. Okay, then case 1 you can solve it, yes or no, you can solve it. This is your case 1, when this a1 a2, okay, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then in that case you have to substitute this, then the non-homogeneous differential equation reduced to homogeneous differential equation, then you can easily solve the homogeneous differential equation. So come to case 2. Case 2 क्या होगा, when this a1 by a2, okay, this a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b. If these two are same, these ratios are same, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. And in that case, you substitute, you directly substitute. You substitute Z is equal to your A1x plus B1y. Okay, you directly substitute Z is equal to A1x plus B1y. Okay, if you substitute like this, okay, A1x plus B1y, so what you get? Your dy by dx. Your dy by dx is equal to, this is A1x plus B1y plus C1 divided by A2x plus B2y plus C2. Okay, now if you substitute Z is equal to A1x plus B1y, so this differential equation will dy by dx is equal to, this is how much?
Z plus C1.
Z
Okay,
plus C.
this is Z plus C1 divided by some constant k into Z plus C2. Okay, because this A2x plus B2 is some constant multiplication of A1x plus B1. Okay, so that is why
Yes.
some constant into Z plus C2. So now you can easily, and this dy by dx will be what? Dy by dx क्या होगा? This is dz by dx. Okay, क्या होगा? A1 dy by dx ये हो जाएगा A1. अच्छा यहाँ पे फाइन कर दो. This dz by dx is equal to, this is a1 plus b1 into dy by dx. Okay, so your dy by dx क्या होगा? This is dy by dx is equal to, this is dz by dx minus a1 whole into, this is 1 by b1, and it is correct. And a1 b1 these are constants. Okay, so dz by dx minus a1 whole into 1 by b1. So now this 1 by b1 whole into dz by dx minus a1 is equal to z plus c1 and some constant into z plus c. Okay, so now if you simplify, okay, if you simplify, so what you get? इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो तो ये b1 इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, a1 भी एडिशन हो जाएगा, dz by dx is equal to, this is a1 plus, this is b1 into z plus c1 divided by a into z plus c. Okay, so if you simplify this, you will get a function of a z1 और कुछ नहीं आएगा, a function of a z आएगा, because a1 a2 a3, so a1 b1 c1 c2, these are constants, so you can easily, this dz by fz, okay, is equal to integration dx. So now you can integrate both sides. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here one thing you remember, in the first case you see, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the non-homogeneous differential equation reduced to homogeneous, then homogeneous reduced to separable. Yes or no? But in case 2 what happened? If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and you substitute z is equal to a1x plus b1y, it will directly reduce to separable. This non-homogeneous directly reducible to separability. और homogeneous को reduce नहीं, वो directly reduce to separability. Understood or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सर थोड़ा नीचे करिएगा ना, थोड़ा सा लिखना और.
Sir, why did you write kjet? Can you please explain again?
What?
Kjet.
kz, yes. तो यहाँ पे देखो तुम्हारा जो रेशियो है a1/a2 इज इक्वल टू b1/b2. ओके, a1/a2 इज इक्वल टू b1/b2. you see this a1/a2 is equal to b1/b2. okay, if these two are same. okay, तो which is same as what, यहाँ पे a1 रेशियो आ जाएगा. ओके, रेशियो आ जाएगा तो a1x plus b1y. okay, this is what, this is some constant multiplication of some k into this is a2x plus b2y, some constant of a2x plus b2y, because this ratio is same. Suppose this is k. okay, suppose this is k.
Yes, sir.
okay, so obviously a1 x plus b1 is some constant multiplication of a2x plus b2y.
Yes.
because if you write in this way तो क्या होगा, this is a1x divided by a2x is equal to b1y divided by b2y is equal to k. Then which is same as this is a1x plus b1y divided by a2x plus b2y. This is proportional rule. okay,
Yes.
this is k
I got-
multiplied.
Yeah, I got that. Thank you, sir.
okay, so these are the things when you solve the non-homogeneous differential equation. okay, okay, so let us write some problems, you solve it. okay, you solve the exercise problem from 1.3. okay, so now you more problems I just write here. You solve it. uh, you write question 1. you write dy by dx, this dy by dx is equal to this is y minus x divided by y minus x plus 2. y minus x plus 2. okay, this is case 2. okay, this is case 2. okay, if you substitute y minus x is equal to z, y minus x is equal to z, so this things is what, this is z divided by z plus 2. okay, z divided by z plus 2. okay, and here dy by dx क्या होगा, dy by dx हो जाएगा -1 is equal to dz by dx. okay, dz by dx. तो यहाँ पे dz by dx plus 1 is equal to z by z plus 2. okay, and here dz by dx is equal to z by z plus 2 minus 1. and again if you simplify this is z minus 2 divided by z plus 2 and which is equal to -2 by z plus 2. and again if you integrate it, what you get, this is z plus 2 dz is equal to -2 dx. so now integrate both sides. so this is z square by 2 plus 2z is equal to -2x plus 6. तो z का जगह वैल्यू पुट कर दो, हमारा z का वैल्यू क्या है, y माइनस एक्स. तो y माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 2 प्लस 2 into y minus x is equal to -2x plus 6. okay, and you can see both sides -2x will be cancelled out. okay, this is y minus x square by 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. ओके, एंड और भी सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो ये हो जाएगा y माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4y इज इक्वल टू सम कांस्टेंट c1. ऐसा नो, दिस इज योर सॉल्यूशन. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो और एक प्रॉब्लम लिखो, ये वाला तुम करोगे केस 1 का. x minus 2y plus 1, x minus 2y plus 1 into dx plus this is 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y minus 6 into dy is equal to 0. ये वाला करो, ठीक है, केस वन होगा, ठीक है.
जरा ऊपर करिएगा. बस 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 बस.
Okay, so you write your roll number. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, you solve this question. Okay, and also the exercise question 1.3. Okay, 1.3 up to question number 19. Okay, you can solve.
Sir, up to question number
19. Question number 2 to 19.
19.
1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
1.3 question number 2 to 19.
Sir, 2 to 19.
Yes, question number 1 is not a question. Okay, 2 to 19.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.